Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video we have set up the Firebase and the Firebase storage and also fetch all the views. In this video we will code for image gallery, that we will get an image from the gallery and set it on image view, that is our journal image view. So take one intent is equal to new intent, and here we need to define the action, that is intent dot action get content. We will get something from gallery. Now we need to define the type, that what type of content we want. So define type, that is image slash star. That means we will get all type of images. Now start activity for result and pass the intent and one constant field, that is code. Now define it, give it value, that is 1. Now we need to override the on activity result method with 3 field, that is request code, that is from the user side, result code, that is from the operating system, and data is the image we will get from gallery. Now we will add condition if the request code is equal to gallery code and the result code is equal to result. Okay, that means all the permissions are accepted. Now we will check the data. If the data is not equal to null, that means data is not empty. Then in image URI we will define it, in which we will get the data. Now here we have a path from the gallery of the image. Now define image URI, that is type of class URI. All right. Now we need to set the image on the journal camera, that is set image URI and pass this image URI that we have created. Now it will set the image in the background. Now let's set the current date in the current date text view. So that for that we will use date class. Let's go there. Now create date is equal to new date, in which we will get the date. Now we need to format that date according to our need. So we will date format dot get instance, and in which we will define the type, that is long type dot format, and we have to format the date. Now set it on this current date, that is current date dot set text and date to set. Now this will print the or show the date type like August 5 2020. Let's test it. Sign up, create new user, sign up. Now here we can see current date and username. Now click on it, take one image from gallery. Oops, it set it on the camera view, so we need to change it. Go back to code, let me see. Okay, now here we need to add journal image. Now rerun it. Okay, get one image from gallery. Now it is successfully set. So I will see you next video, guys. Thank you and please do subscribe.